Okay, today let's start to finish the function of logout. First, open the element UI the website and search drop down. It's a drop down. It's a menu, like triangle menu for this displaying or hidden some links and actions. And you can see the like this. It's the drop down. In the drop down link, you can choose some list. Okay, some option. So here you can use it. And there's something. This is the code to refer. You can see. The second one, the first one have no link event, and the second one, when you link, it will triangle some event, okay? And the HTML like this, you can copy and to change what you want, and then the style for the HTML, then it's the method. When you link, that will have something, and there have other kinds of drop down list you can use here. And here you can see the event or comment event. Here you can use this one. Okay, you can see if you link action 1, they will have something alert or a message to tip. Okay, so we can use this. And first of all, you need to add EL dropdown, and in the EL dropdown, the title we can use the span, and the content you can add to the span, and then it is a list. It's not list of the dropdown. So we can use this one, and here we can see the EL dropdown have a command, have bounding a command. It's the command method name. You can see the method handle command to send a command, and then this method message will to show. Okay, so this one you can use. This one you can use in our you can use in our home page. Okay, so open your VS Code and your home view. Yesterday we have added something to the home page. Here I just to add the the drop-down list, we can use the welcome drop-down list. We use the name, okay. So here I delete this and wrap in the div, okay. And in the drop down you can add some just to add two type. One is personal. Now center. Just to add, you can add some login or register or something others, okay. And here I add log out. And this is the style. Temperature, I think I have lost. Okay. And then we should style. I will use after script. After script here, and script we need to add a method of handle command, okay. You just to paste in method just to paste here. And so I will to log in and test to show the effect, show the result for us. It's the homepage welcome admin. We can see when you click or hover here, they will have the personal center and logout. If you click logout, it will show click an item. If you click the first, click on the item A. So here just to test. Here you can the command we can change like the personal center and the logout. And I will to fresh. If I click the first, it will click on item personal center. And if I click the second, it will show click on item logout, okay. This okay, just for 5 minutes to do this one. We need to the confirm of element. Several days we have learned the alert. It is very easy. Alert this alert. And the confirm is similar than alert, but there are two buttons in the confirm. One is okay, one is cancel. Okay, and there are some code to refer here. We just need this confirm. It's the title, and it's the warning. It's the content of the window, and the two buttons. One is confirm button. One is cancel button. And the confirm, if you choose okay, and then it will do something, do some business. If you choose cancel, then the confirm window will close. Okay. So here I used like this. I just to command to judge the command's value. Here our command is log out. So I just to like this. If command is log out, then confirm. Confirm is the title of confirm, and then the content, and the type is warning. Okay, I will to show the result, the home in the okay, I will show. Maybe there's something wrong. Here, it's just not log in, not load. So just now it's empty, and here it have it's the result when I click log out, and we can see a masker in the body. And it's something transparent, and have some value of city. So here it's a mask, and then a window. The title is I have to add this. I have speak wrong, and here is the content. Here is the title. Okay, like this. And if you click cancel, then close the window. And if you click the confirm, we can do something. And we know if we want to log out, we must clear the session storage, and if you log out, then the page will replace by login page. Okay. We just to use first to access backend and remove session. The second is remove second storage of browser, and then the page will changed and replaced by login page. Okay. So if you you have click confirm button, and we will do the three things. If you want to go into backend, we can use this we have studied easy. Like in the login, we have used yeah. And here, we just to use the method get is okay, because get is more faster than post, and we think post is safe. And here, because we have no data to send to backend, so we just use get is a good way, okay? And here is the path. I will use logout, and and then you can get the session or something. So to the idea to add logout in our user control. We know the business is to remove the session. It means the session have stored some information, and we know if someone log out, we can to save the session storage. So our login method, we must to add some code for session. Okay, we know success login, and we should to store current user to session. Okay, so here it means if the user have exist in database, so the user we know is isn't not, and then we should use session. And if you want to use session, you need to add a parameter in the method. And here I just add a HTTP SQLite session. Okay, I will HTTP session, we can say HTTP. Okay, this one session. Okay, I use variable session, and the session we should to add just to set attribute we can set just user information, and the value is the user, this user object. Okay, can you understand?
Yes, Ashley.
Okay, and
we are storing user, right, in session.
Yeah, in login, if you log in success, you need to add the user object to session. Okay.
But we have to like check if the user is empty.
We can do any validation, whatever we want.
To add logout, like logout and logout mapping, result mapping. Is logout. It seems with the name here. And then I will to use no logout. And nothing to return. So here I use the void. Okay.
Okay.
The method I name the user logout, and the method name anything you can to add. And here because we need to remove session, so we also use session in session there are several kind way way to remove session, and I advise everyone to use this one, session invalidate. Session invalidate is okay. The other way I will to show you. The other way is you can if you want to remove session, you can use remove attribute, and the name of attribute is just the attribute. This is another way, is it? And then the other way is session set attribute is not okay. So there's a lot of method to remove session, and here I advise everyone use this one, and it's a good idea in and usual way we often to use. Okay. Back to our front page end, and here it will to access the idea and to execute this method, and then it means we have removed session, and the second business we know it is to remove session storage. So here in our login we have to add in session storage we add a flag login. Is it? So here we need to set item. Or here we need to set item. We can use the remove item flag is okay. And other field you also can remove name. And it's user ID. And then it's the page will replaced by login. And these sentences we can use. It's used by login. Login in our in my router it's nothing pass. So here I just to use like this. And then we will finish. We have finished the logout out function. Okay, and I must to restart my idea. Here, just to start a new one. Try. We have come to the home, and then I will log out. If we just to click cancel, nothing to do, and then if I click sure, okay. Maybe they have something. It means can't reach the property. So I will check my code. Solar before this sentences here this is undefined. So we usually to add a vertical of
但是我们不要用这个this is like a global variable.
You means
It's like a super class.
You can see if you click cancel the storage session storage have value, and if you click confirm, the place will it will replaced by login, and session storage have nothing. Okay. So here we need also add a response body. And we must take notice this we usually use window, so there's some two level method we usually in the first method to define variable store this, and after the code, then you can use the variable name. Okay. Okay, you can record in your notice, and if we use function, and in the first level we must to add variable to store this, and then in the function you can use the variable name. Okay. Another way is here to delete this line, and the function just to change arrow function, and then here you can change this is okay. Okay. Easy.
I look this and how this change.
Yeah, this router is the same.
Yeah.
Yeah. This is okay. So you can see the this is the component view. It's a like window object in JS. So it's our function